Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best meat thermometer forks in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Kaizen Digital Meat Thermometer with Probe. Instant read food thermometer for cooking, grilling, BBQ, baking, liquids, candy, deep frying, and more. Red/white. Ultra fast. Enjoy a perfectly cooked meal every time. Our pre-calibrated, instant red thermometer takes food and liquid temperatures in as quick as 3 seconds. Multi-use. A good kitchen thermometer is one that can do it all. The Kaizen food thermometer works for grilling and roasting meat, baking bread, making candy, and more. Easy to read. Perfect for the kitchen or grilling at night. Our digital cooking thermometer displays the temperature of your food or liquid on a large backlit LED screen. Waterproof. We not only made this meat thermometer digital, but also a breeze to clean. Simply wash the temperature probe and body of the food thermometer in running water, not dishwasher safe. Number 4. Thermopro TP01, a digital meat thermometer for cooking candle, liquid deep frying oil candy, kitchen food instant red thermometer with super long probe, backlit, lock function. Fast and accurate. Instant red thermometer with high precision sensor, get internal temp of food within 4 to 6 seconds. Accurate to plus or minus 0.9 degree Fahrenheit. Super long probe. Digital food thermometer features 5.3 inches food-grade stainless steel probe. No more worrying about getting too close to the hot food or surface. Avoid burned hands. Lock function. Kitchen thermometer can lock the current temperature. The reading won't change after pulling the temperature probe out of the meat. Auto shut-off. Batteries included. Backlight display. Instant red meat thermometer features backlight LCD display to let you see clearly while cooking in the evening, indoors or outdoors. Number 3. AATER Plus. Wireless smart meat thermometer for BBQ, oven, grill, kitchen, smoker. Rotisserie 165 feet Bluetooth wireless range iOS and Android app Apple Watch. Alexa compatible dishwasher safe. The ideal choice for indoor and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. MEATER Plus is 100% wire-free, allowing you to cook with complete freedom and flexibility. With its innovative technology, the long-range model is the world's first truly wireless meat thermometer. Plus, you can easily monitor your cooking progress using the free app, which is available for both iOS, version 12.20 and later, and Android, version 8.0 and later, smartphones and tablets. Please note that the smartphone is not included in the package. 2 sensors, 1 probe. The dual temperature sensors on this meat thermometer enable you to monitor both the internal meat temperature, up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and the ambient/external temperature, up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit, at the same time. Number 2. Labatools PT12 Javelin Digital Instant Red Meat Thermometer for kitchen, food cooking, grill, BBQ, smoker, candy, home brewing, coffee, and oil deep frying. 3 to 4 second ultra-fast response time with an accuracy better than plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Large 1.4, easy-to-read display, and IP65 splash-proof construction. Integrated magnet for convenient storage on refrigerators or ovens. Meat thermometer also perfect for liquids, fryers, bread, chocolate, yogurt, and cheese. ASF certified superior build quality like nothing else on the market. Backed by an industry-leading 3-year limited warranty.